am shocked. You want to know why I'm shocked? Because this wig name is Junny. I got a cousin named Junny. I don't know how I feel about my cousin named Junny. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? I'm feeling good. Welcome back to my channel. To all my new people that have joined the family within the last month, I see you. Welcome. And to my oldies, I see y'all too. Thank y'all so much for coming back. So today I will be doing an easy wig review on this Janet collection JUNNY wig. Like I don't know, y'all. I'm shocked. I was shocked. I was shocked when I put the wig on. Before we get started, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up for me, and also hit that subscribe button, you know, so you get notified when I upload, and hit that bell all the way up so you're notified when I upload. If you want to know how I feel, stay tuned. So the wig I have for you guys today is Miss JUNNY. And I have the color DR2 Natural Brown. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on with you guys. So this is what the wig is looking like fresh out the pack. It is super duper long. Whew. It's really long, y'all. Like, oh, it's really, really long. It comes with these little styrofoam here. This just to hold the curl. I like when they do that because, you know, it holds up the curl. So already, the texture on this wig is kind of, it feels good. This is giving me kind of human hair-ish vibes. It is synthetic. This texture does feel a little bit more silkier, but it's not too silky, but it's not yucky either. As far as the cap, this is what it's looking like. You're going to get these two combs in the front, one right here, one right here. You're going to get that comb in the back. The cap is this ventilated cap. I like these caps like this because I feel like you can stretch it over your head. And this is a lace part wig, guys, okay? So you're just getting that lace part in the middle. This is what the lace is looking like. It is good for me, but it might be a little darker for someone a little bit lighter. So I'm definitely not going to have to tint that. But just keep in mind that if you are lighter than my complexion, you might have to tint her up. And yeah, let's go ahead and put on Miss Junny. So I want to go ahead and put this on first, just to kind of see what she's looking like before I cut the lace off. Oh, okay. All right now. You might be kind of cute. So this is actually reminding me of, what wig was that? I think it's June. I sold my June, but this is kind of reminding me of June. I never reviewed June, but I did have it, and I put it in a wig sale. But this is reminding me of June. I'm really liking this color, y'all. This is fall friendly. This is fall approved. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off and be right back. Because I can't see, okay? I can't see. I be acting like I can see on this camera, but I can't see nothing. All right, Miss June. Oh, okay. So I think I want to go in with this Glueless, y'all. So this is Glueless. I put this on Glueless because when I first felt it, it felt a little snug, but it's not snug. It's good. I think it's a good cap. It fits good. It's coming down all the way to my side. Okay. This hairline is a little dense, but it's workable. I feel like for styles like this, when you just have like a middle part as far as talking about the hairline and all that, like, it's pointless. That's just my opinion. I'm like, why do I care so much about the hairline when I'm not really looking at the hairline like that? Wow, this is Glueless. This is Glueless. So I'll literally just put this on my head, guys. This is what she's looking like. I am getting a little bit of snags, but this is a synthetic unit, so, you know, that's what happens with synthetics. But I'm liking the curls. I'm liking this little layer thing action going on here. And then this is the length here. I kind of wish it wasn't as long, but, you know, to each his own. and the hair all to the back. As far as the texture goes, she is more on like kind of the silky side, but she has like a slight, I don't even want to say yucky, but it's kind of slight yucky. It does feel good though. It does feel, it is a good texture, I can say that. It's not as silky as I thought it would be, because looking at the stock card, I don't know why, but I thought it would be extra silky. And as far as the density goes, she feels like she's a good natural density, but she is a little bit thinner in the back here. All right, I don't have my hair cornrowed like I normally do. I just have it in a ponytail, and I have my wig cap on, and she's fitting on my head, y'all. She's fitting on my big head. As far as shedding goes, I mean, I did cut the lace really close to the hairline, so that could be it. But I mean, I was getting some shedding, and the tangling's gonna be there. It's long, especially when you're talking about this length. It's gonna be tangling, but it's not bad though. It's not unrealistic. It's workable. It's definitely workable. It's workable for a synthetic unit. I think she's cute. So this is really pretty, y'all. I didn't do anything to this wig. No heat, no nothing. Look at this. I'm kind of shocked. I am shocked. You want to know why I'm shocked? Because this wig name is JUNNY. I got a cousin named JUNNY. I don't know how I feel about my cousin named JUNNY. I love you, JUNNY. I love you. I love you. That's my cousin. That's my cousin. So this part right here, like, I didn't use any tint spray. I didn't use anything, y'all. And this is like melted into my scalp. I didn't use no glue. Nothing. And that's just, okay. Look at that. I think I like the fact that the knots in the front here are thinner. Sometimes when they're so big, it like really says I'm synthetic. We ain't trying to hear all that. We know you synthetic. You ain't got to make a speech about it, you know? So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of powder in the middle part there. Only because I'm so used to it. But I don't even think you need powder, y'all. Like, look at that part. But putting powder opens it up, you know. And it does brighten it up. And it does conceal some of those knots a little bit too. Yeah. 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 Yeah, boy. Look at what that just did. So I think I like JUNNY, y'all. I'm liking the color on this. It says natural brown. I don't know who here is naturally this brown, but you know, it's cute. I'm really liking her. She's cute. I feel like she's a good plop and go. The only thing is that she's so long that she is starting to tangle on me a little bit. But you know, you walk around with your paddle brush and she's okay. I feel like you can run your fingers through this. She's cute. I probably will go in if I choose to keep this wig, because y'all know I sell my wigs. But if I had this wig, I would chop her up, because I feel like the length, like, it's just gonna kind of get real tangly on you. But she's beautiful, y'all. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I wasn't expecting all of that from JUNNY. It says that this is an extended lace part wig. That's the only big thing with this. And yeah, I mean, it's going to the back of my hair. I don't know how much more parting space you need than that. But other than that, she's really pretty, y'all. I feel like if you go in with a wig grip, you'll be secure. You'll be good to go. My part is crooked. Let's see what she's looking like to the side. She's pretty too. She is pretty to the side too. I like her. So this is the color on the stock card, just so you guys know. Let me know what y'all thinking about Miss JUNNY, because I think I like her. I didn't do anything to this wig, and that's it. I'm shocked. It's like signing up to babysit, thinking you're gonna have a crazy night, and the kid is beautiful. The kid no work. This is exactly how I'm feeling right now. Like, that's it. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.